Did you know one of history's most famous stories is completely fake? Everyone thinks Emperor Nero played the fiddle while Rome burned, but here's the shocking truth. Nero wasn't even in Rome when the Great Fire started in July 64 AD. He was 35 miles away in Antium and raced back immediately. What did this evil emperor actually do? He opened his own palaces to house homeless refugees. He organized massive relief efforts. He paid for rebuilding from his own money. So where did the fiddle story come from? His political enemies made it up to destroy him. And here's the crazy part. Fiddles wouldn't be invented for another 1,000 years. But Nero wasn't innocent. He blamed Christians for starting the fire and used them as scapegoats. He fed them to lions and turned them into human torches to light his gardens. The truth? Modern historians think the fire was just an accident. But Nero's war with the Roman Senate created one of history's biggest lies. Sometimes the real villain isn't who you think it is.